What are the strengths of your company?
The strength of our company is we have integrated nature of operations right from sponge iron to making of steel wire. Like what we do is in the process we use iron ore and coal in making sponge iron. The waste gases which are generated in sponge iron is tapped and used for generation of power, and the power and steel we put into steel billets, and steel billets are further rolled. So we have a complete value chain of products. This is the one part. On the second side, our two principal raw material, which is iron ore and coal. Over a period of last 3-4 years, we have been allocated iron ore and coal mines reserves both in Chhattisgarh. We have iron ore reserves over an area of 216 hectare, for which the iron ore mines have mining lease have already been allocated to us. We have also received the environmental approval, and we are in the process of getting the forest approval from Ministry of Forest. Once the Ministry of Forest approval is received, we would be able to start the mining operations in the iron ore. Similarly, we have been allocated the coal mines with the reserves of 243 million tons in a consortium with 4 other parties. In the coal mines, our share in the consortium is about 63 million tons, which works out to 26%. We are in the process of developing both these mineral resources, which would be thereby, it would enable the company to have captive iron ore and coal both.
Sir, how company has progressed in the last 1 year?
During last 1 year, as I said earlier, we commissioned our first phase of expansion in December 2005. We took up the expansion in April 2006 for second phase of capacity, which has been recently commissioned and has gone into production. Our last 6 months we have achieved the production and the sales the growth of almost about more than 80%. The net sales for the first half is about 380 crore, and profit is about 43 crore.
What are the financial highlights you would like to say about?
Financial highlights I've already explained, the operations of the company are already gone into full production. So we have achieved a turnover of about 380 crore, profit of about 43 crore for the first half. Last financial year we had net sales of about 430 crore, the profit of 52 crore during the financial year 07.
What are the triggers of growth and about the industry data?
The triggers of the growth, currently we are achieving the margins of about 17 to 20% before interest and depreciation with the iron ore and coal both procured from the outside market. Going forward, once we start the iron ore and coal mines operations, we will have captive iron ore and coal both. Thereby, we would be able to increase our margin of profitability from about 17% to 35%, in line with the other industry players who have the captive mineral resources, and their margins are in the range of 35%.
Sir, what are the opportunities and demand supply gap?
India currently has steel consumption of about 50 million ton. The capacity of in India steel manufacturing would be close to about 55 million ton. With the GDP growth rate of about 8 to 9% expected over a period of time, and the government focus on infrastructure and construction, we feel that the steel industry would continue to go at about 8 to 9% per annum, in line with GDP growth, and which would have enough scope for sale of steel products in Indian market going forward over a next period of 4 or 5 years.
Dinesh, what are your targets for next 2 years?
Our major targets for next 2 years is to start the iron ore and coal mine. We have recently conceived a backward integration project to the sponge iron. Like, you know, we are putting up an iron ore pelletization plant, iron ore crushing and beneficiation plant as well, at a cost of about 175 crore. For which we already finalized the orders with a Chinese company for the core equipment, and we are planning to start the construction during the current quarter. We have already acquired the land for the project. This is the one area of the growth would be there, wherein we would be able to add value to the iron ore fines and convert into the iron ore pellets, which would enhance the margins of the company. Over and above this, our focus for next 2 years is to start the iron ore and coal mines both. That is where we feel the large value, in terms of the margin lies in a scenario wherein the price of iron ore and coal, both the resources are going up in the international market.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.